Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin Cash Daily Update. We are going to see the next targets and when are we going higher. And of course, before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/ Mind Your Crypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. You will also get personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, pine scripts, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's see right now. BCH against USDT is correcting, right? Because BCH against Bitcoin is underperforming. Actually, BCH is underperforming against Bitcoin. So the BCH Bitcoin chart is looking pretty bad into these days. However, we are going soon to see a pump between BCH and Bitcoin chart. Is this the time where we go all the way down? Of course not. We are not going to see low levels for BCH right now. I'm not biased into this altcoin. I do believe that this altcoin though will be going higher mainly because of the technical analysis, mainly because of the price analysis, right? Rather than the whole thing that, for example, some people are pretty bullish over some projects because they love the project, right? I am personally not a lover of the project, but I have to admit that on the technical analysis, we are going to see higher price targets. Of course, I won't analyze why I am not a lover of the project right there. I'm not actually despise actually this project at all, right? I like it, but I'm not just a lover like other projects such as Ethereum. That's what I'm saying. Okay, first of all, let's go to 317 Tether USD that we are in right now. Is the weekly going to stay like this or are we going to have a pump up? Personally, I do believe that we are going to have a pump up over the next few days. Do not worry about that. It is Thursday, but we have 4 days till we see the weekly close, and I feel like BCH will be going higher. And right now, it is the time that we get to surpass the 50-day EMA actually, and get even higher than the 357 as well. If you buy right now, you have bought near the bottom. I am telling you that you have bought near the bottom, and of course, we are going to get even higher. All right. So therefore, what I believe it will happen is that over the next 2 to 3 days, we are going to see a pump. And of course, that is if Bitcoin goes above the 45K, which I think it will, and it goes to 50K, which I think it will as well. But at this point, I want to say that BCH and many other altcoins, not only BCH, will be going higher. Let's see some short-term price targets for BCH right here. I'm going to remove the drawings. You can see right now that we are flirting in the 50-day MA, between the 20 and the 50-day MA. Usually this is a squeeze point when we see the price going between the 20-day, the yellow line, and the red line. Usually we are in a squeeze point where we have a huge breakout or a sudden drop. Okay, so therefore this is a very good situation right there to be in with, and we are going to analyze the support levels and the resistance levels. Right now we are in an extremely important support level, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. From there we want to have a pump and we want to go even higher. You can see that right now what do we have right here is the stochastic RSI into an oversold situation, which is pretty good. The commodity channel index is going as well into an oversold, and the Fisher transform is going into an oversold situation, and we get something that I really like. On the 4-hour frame, we have the stochastic RSI and the Fisher transform into an oversold while the price has not gone so much down, right? And it means that probably we are going to see higher price targets, possibly getting after a 355, 360 and so on. Okay, so on the daily frame, BCH was not looking so good due to the fact that we had a lower high on the commodity channel index, and of course we still have this stochastic RSI into near an overbought situation, so you can assume that for the daily frame we are not so powerful, we are not so great, right? Yes, this is true. However, even if we just lose the support level of the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, then the next stop would be the 308, and this would be probably for me the bottom. As from there we are going to see we were going to see actually huge buying pressure. Okay, in between those two targets right here, 308, 316, we are going to see a very nice buying pressure, and we are going to go even higher. We are going probably to go to the 355, 360, 65, and 70. All right. So therefore, this will be very good. And BCH against USDT on the 4-hour frame is looking good. And on the daily frame, actually in the next days to the next weeks, I am telling you that BCH is going to go massively higher. Okay, I'm not talking about the 600. Actually, yeah, 600 could be the case, but I'm not talking about the 1.5k that it was and so on. All right, I'm not talking about these high levels, I want to be honest with you, but we could possibly be having a 500 target, a 600 target, and so on. This would mean that the price could go potentially 100% upwards or so. We have seen that a lot during the previous months for Bitcoin and not only for cryptocurrency assets. So it isn't something illogical right there, or it isn't something unbiased. Okay. So 198% could be the case. However, let's take it step by step. 370, 400 USDT, and from there we are going to see where we are going next. In the meantime though, we have a sell pressure because of BCH against Bitcoin, not because of Bitcoin. Because if I take you on BCH Bitcoin chart and we can see it right now, then you will see that BCH against Bitcoin chart is underperforming so much. It is decreasing so much that you can see right here we are already minus 1.23%. We are having an extreme oversold situation on the 4-hour frame right here. Same with the commodity channel index, but we have gone into a bearish mode right there, into a bearish market again, and this is what it happened. It got rejected from the 50-day exponential moving average. I think that we can go a little bit further down, but once we pump up, once we get to have the breakout, then it is all good. And I like the fact that right now that Bitcoin is going higher, BCH against Bitcoin is going down, because later on we can pump against it and we can go even higher. And of course, do not worry about that though. We will just be getting higher, minus 10% though in this weekly close right here for BCH against Bitcoin chart. Not something that you want to see. However, we are here down into an oversold situation for quite some time. I believe that we are going to see on the weekly frame a very huge pump up. Same with the RSI, the lower lows have to stop right there. And of course, we want to see higher targets for the weekly frame for BCH against Bitcoin chart. This is the only problem right now that is keeping us away from getting above the 355. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.